So the bait that the majority of the fish I've been taking have been coming on is this one right here. And this is the 4-inch drip swimmer on a 1/4 ounce head. But not only just any 1/4 ounce head, this is a 1/4 ounce with a 4/0 size hook, a lot longer shank hook to match this longer bait. It's really important to have a hook that goes at least midway back through the bait, especially on these bigger fish, to really get a good hook in them. It's called the hybrid jig head. Now every weighting option comes in at least 2 hook sizes. This is the 4/0 size and a 1/4, but it also comes in a smaller 2/0 size, which is good for the little 3-inch strip minnow. But one thing I love about it, just like a lot of the other Berkley jig heads, it has the conical bait keeper, which is super plastics friendly. But majority of the time when I go to this more finesse style technique, I like to have a few different weighting options. Like I said, today the 1/4 ounce size seems to be the best. I'm really targeting that 8 to say 20 feet of water or so. So it gives me a decent fall rate, but yet when I get down there, I can control it nice. I can stall that bait out for these fish that are just a little bit more lethargic.